By now, I'm pretty certain you've heard about the newest trend in AI, ChatGPT. Everyone's talking about this, from Bill Gates to really some of the best tech minds in the industry. If you're not familiar, ChatGPT is an AI startup founded by Elon Musk and already has millions of users. Crypto Twitter is always ahead of the game. It's already gone crazy about this new technology. And artificial intelligence crypto tokens are suddenly getting a pretty long look by a lot of investors and speculators. Narratives are such a powerful force in deciding whether or not to buy something, and AI tokens, in this case fueled by ChatGPT, are really the talk of the town right now. And now could be the right time to get some AI tokens into your portfolio. This is one of our short videos that we did recently. We talked about a few AI tokens that could take the top spot in the crypto market. Let's now take a deeper dive and examine these 5 altcoins one by one. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie. This is Altcoin Buzz. Always the best of luck if you choose to invest in AI crypto or anything else. But just remember, I am not a financial or investment advisor. And so this video is not official financial or investment advice. All right, AI token number 1 on our list today is Fetch.ai. Ticker is FET, F-E-T. So Fetch.ai decentralizes artificial intelligence and machine learning. It supports the growth of the digital world with the least amount of human interference. Its platform provides programmers with the resources they need to build autonomous agents. And these agents can communicate with the network and improve different areas such as transportation, supply chains, smart homes, and a lot of other sectors, by the way. And Fetch.ai leverages a global network of data to get things done. Its network includes a decentralized economy comprising of agents, data, services, and assets. And all of these can work together to identify, to negotiate, to carry out services. And this makes it possible to allocate resources effectively and efficiently in an otherwise unreliable environment. It does this without the need for middlemen. It's all automated and decentralized. And Fetch.ai's AI-driven technology makes a difference for creators because users can create elaborate economic models. Fetch.ai's tech can also improve operations and cut expenses. And the platform is laying the groundwork for an autonomous, agent-powered digital economy. Fetch.ai currently has a market cap of around $268 million. That is according to coinmarketcap.com. As we can see, the price, as I record, sits at about 32, just under 33 cents. It's up over 17%, nearly 18% on the day. And it's got some cool use cases as a project. And if you're like me, if you feel that this AI thing is really going to keep developing, keep getting better as an industry, then Fetch.ai may well be one of your best choices in crypto. AI token number 2 is SingularityNET, ticker AGIX. SingularityNET already has about 60% of its token, AGIX, in circulation. But what I personally find more interesting than the tokenomics are its many use cases and therefore its massive potential. So SingularityNET is a blockchain-based AI marketplace, meaning anyone can create, share, and monetize artificial intelligence services with ease. Anybody, for example, can use the SingularityNET marketplace to buy different AI services. They only have to use the platform's native utility token, AGIX. Interestingly, the marketplace works like a regular outlet, so AI developers can publish and sell their AI tools. This one is really up on the day, up just under 40% as I record. And here's why we think the project is so special. Marketplaces for services tend to perform pretty well in general. That's kind of a standard in crypto. But this also goes beyond crypto. Just think of great platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These are huge examples of how well marketplaces tend to perform. And SingularityNET is Fiverr for AI, effectively. And that has a massive future. And let me show you something else that's pretty crazy about this platform. So in 2017, SingularityNET's ICO sold about $36 million in 1 minute, 60 seconds. Now that's fast, and it tells you that investors really had their eyes on this project for more than 5 years. And ChatGPT could be the springboard this AI project needs to boom. And really, SingularityNET's goal is pretty simple. They want to ensure that AI services are easy to develop. And they also want to help integrate AI into various applications. Developers will stake their future on this platform. And it also offers them the advantage of having a wide variety of AI algorithms and data sources. Moving right along, AI token number 3 that we're looking at today is OraiChain, ticker ORAI, ORAI. OraiChain is pretty popular already. You may have heard of it. It is the world's first intelligent and secure solution for emerging Web3. It also focuses on scalable dApps and decentralized AI. OraiChain operates on an AI layer 1 protocol. It has high interoperability, meaning it's easy to connect to all kinds of different chains. And they also focus on the aggregation and connection of smart contracts and AI APIs. OraiChain has 6 main features as its focus: an AI marketplace, an AI oracle, an AI ecosystem, the option to stake and earn, test cases, and their own OraiDAO. Now, OraiChain allows the development of smart contracts, and these smart contracts can make use of AI models. So OraiChain's approach kind of looks like Chainlink or maybe the BAN protocol. But that's not quite it either, because OraiChain places a greater emphasis on the quality of the AI models and AI APIs. Each user request comes with a set of test cases attached, and the provider API needs to pass a certain amount of test cases in order to receive payment. OraiChain is also different from other solutions because here, validators control the test case features and the quality of the AI models. Here are some of the AI-powered use cases for OraiChain. So fake news detection, yield farming, flexible smart contracts, and face authentication. This project has huge potential. Crypto AI token number 4 that we're looking at today is PlatON, ticker LAT, L-A-T. Now, PlatON is a Web3 infrastructure protocol. It focuses on privacy, which is something that we need more of, in my opinion. And PlatON is all about letting any system or app use AI with more privacy. And by the way, it's all open source. PlatON offers a public infrastructure using 4 of the most common types of privacy tech. And then based on the requirements for your app or protocol, you then use the tech that works best for you. It focuses on privacy so that developers can focus on building. On a commercial level, PlatON assists enterprises and individuals. And here's how it works, essentially. Individuals and businesses can serve as data owners. They can add data as nodes and take part in computing tasks advertised on the platform. So this approach ensures data protection and ownership identification. It also focuses on identification, asset conversions, and pricing, all while maintaining privacy. Users, by the way, can also contribute computing resources to finish other people's tasks. Okay, and finally, rounding out today's list, our 5th crypto AI token, last but not least, is SingularityDAO. Ticker is SDAO, S-D-A-O. SingularityDAO is unique in its own way because SingularityDAO is a decentralized, non-custodial, dynamically adjusted basket of tokens, otherwise known as a dynaset. And the portfolio is managed by advanced artificial intelligence. And yes, it is from the same team that's responsible for token number 2, SingularityNET. Now, the aim here is simple enough, at least in theory. It plans to leverage AI DeFi to foster the development of decentralized networks. So SingularityDAO uses AI DeFi to help the development of the utility token ecosystem. It's very simple in that sense. And SingularityDAO's dynasets can use both long and short trading strategies. Also, they have the ability to add leverage to those trades automatically and to rebalance the holdings. It also takes positions based on market conditions. Just some of the top venture capital and investment firms currently backing SingularityDAO include Alphabet, Genesis Block Ventures, SMO Capital, QCP Capital, AU21, June Capital, Magnus Capital, Moonwhale Ventures, and Phoenix VC. Now, the SingularityDAO's native token shown here is the ERC20 governance token, SDAO, and the SDAO token gives holders the ability to vote on community decisions. At the time of this recording, SDAO is trading at 37.3 cents. It is up just under 13% on the day, and about 57% of its tokens are in circulation. Guys, of this list of 5 hot AI crypto tokens, let us know what your favorite is. Let us know as well what we've left off this list in the comments below.